back everybody, British Griller. Today we're going to fry up some pig wings, buffalo style. These unique treats are starting to be one of my go-to favorites. Super easy. They come pre-cooked. All you do is thaw them out real quick, throw them in the smoker, throw them in the fryer. I got a couple other plans I'm going to show you guys maybe later on for them. So let's get started. Got oil heated up to about 350 degrees. I'm just going to do about 3 of these at a time. I blotted them with some paper towels, try to minimize our splatter. Going in for about 3 minutes. Alright, let these guys run for about 3 minutes each. In the deep fryer, got some great color on them. They look, smell fantastic. Put a little paper towel in there, drain off some of our excess grease. We're going to season them up, or sauce them up, should I say, with this Trailblazer hot wing sauce from Fatboy Barbecue. They just won a couple awards. I can't remember the title of them, but check out their website. If you see this on the shelf, be sure to pick it up. It's like my favorite wing sauce ever. Give it a little toss. Yeah, look at that. Mmm. Let me tell you what. These things are absolutely amazing. That wing sauce, it's like just spicy enough, make you sweat maybe a little bit, but not so spicy you can't put it on anything. Just the right amount of vinegar, really taste the peppers. These pig wings are ridiculous. I mean, just absolutely amazing. You see how tender that is from the bite I took? It's like a little amazing turkey leg, rib, just amazing. See you guys next time. British Griller.